Every day, billions of purchases happen around the world. Coffee at a cafe, groceries at a supermarket, flights booked online, and subscriptions renewed automatically. In most cases, the payment takes only seconds. A card is tapped, a phone is scanned, or a payment form is submitted online. Yet behind that instant transaction sits a massive digital infrastructure connecting banks, merchants, and financial institutions across the globe. Mastercard. On the surface, Mastercard appears to be a credit card company. Its logo appears on plastic cards carried by consumers in almost every country. But Mastercard does not usually issue those cards. Banks issue them. Banks provide the credit or funds, and merchants receive the payments. Mastercard operates something else entirely: a global payment network. This network acts as a communication layer between financial institutions. When a customer uses a card to make a purchase, several organizations participate in the transaction. First, the merchant's payment terminal sends the request to its acquiring bank. That bank forwards the request through the payment network. The network routes the request to the customer's issuing bank. Within moments, the issuing bank verifies whether the account has available credit or funds. If the transaction is approved, a response travels back through the same network. The purchase completes in seconds. Behind this simple experience lies enormous infrastructure. Payment networks operate data centers capable of handling tens of thousands of transactions every second. These systems must remain reliable, secure, and available almost continuously. Every payment request travels through encrypted communication systems designed to protect financial information. But the real power of a payment network is scale. The more banks connected to the network, the more places consumers can use their cards. The more merchants accept the network, the more valuable the system becomes for banks and customers. This dynamic creates strong network effects. Each new participant increases the value of the entire system. Over time, Mastercard expanded its network across millions of merchants and thousands of financial institutions worldwide. Today, transactions can move across borders almost instantly, but payments have evolved far beyond plastic cards. Digital commerce introduced new forms of transactions. Online shopping, mobile wallets, subscription services, and digital platforms all rely on payment infrastructure to transfer money securely. Mastercard expanded its systems to support these environments. Instead of relying only on card swipes, the network now supports tokenized payments, digital authentication systems, and contactless technologies used in smartphones and wearable devices. These innovations allow payments to occur without customers even seeing the underlying network. Yet reliability remains critical. If a payment network stops functioning, commerce slows immediately. Retail transactions, travel bookings, and online purchases all depend on the ability to move money quickly and securely. For this reason, payment networks invest heavily in cybersecurity and fraud detection systems. Advanced algorithms analyze transaction patterns to detect suspicious activity. Machine learning models help identify anomalies that may signal fraudulent behavior. Backup data centers and redundant systems ensure that transactions continue even if individual facilities experience disruptions. Competition across financial technology continues expanding. Mobile payment platforms, digital wallets, and new fintech services are introducing alternative ways to move money. Even so, global payment networks remain central to the financial ecosystem. Banks rely on them to connect with merchants. Merchants rely on them to accept payments from customers worldwide. Consumers rely on them for fast, reliable transactions. From the outside, Mastercard appears to be a logo printed on millions of cards. But behind that symbol lies a digital infrastructure connecting global commerce, data centers routing transactions in real time, financial institutions exchanging payment signals across continents, merchants accepting purchases from customers anywhere, and consumers completing transactions within seconds. Money has always moved through financial systems. But modern commerce requires speed, reliability, and global connectivity, Mastercard built one of the networks making that possible.